Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, first of all, consider a topic in mathematics, that is factorization in 8th class. Factorization in 8th class NCERT syllabus. And factorize the following questions, following expressions. Question number 1 is 7x minus 42 equals 7x minus 42. 42 means 7 into 6. We take the common factor 7 and 7 in the step. Outside 7 into remaining term is x. Symbol is minus 7. Okay. 6. 7 into x minus 6. 2. 6p minus 12 cube equals 6p minus 6 into 2 cube. That's equal to the common factor here is 6 and here also 6. We take 6 the common factor in the first term, the remaining term is p minus, we take 6 and the remaining is 2 cube. Then we can write 6p minus 12 cube as 6 into p minus 2 cube. Next question is 16z plus 20z square. That's equal to 4 into 4z plus 4 into 5 into z into z. Z square z into z. Then we take the common factors 4 into z. Therefore, 4z. 4z into 4 plus 5z. 4 plus 5z. Next question is 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. And this can be grouped into two parts, that is 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. That's equal to 15xy. Split up this step. 3 into 5xy minus 3 into 2x plus 5y minus 2. That's equal to, we take the common factor 3 and 3 from these two terms. Next, x and x. That is, we take the common factor 3x and the remaining term is 5y minus 3x. The remaining term is 2. 3x into 5y minus 2. We take the common factor 3x then 5y plus 5y minus 2. That is, here the 3x into 5y minus 2, 5y minus 2. Yeah, common factor is 5y minus 2 and 5y minus 2. Again, we take the common factor 5y minus 2 out of bracket. That is, the remaining term is 3x plus 1. It is 5y minus 2 into 3x plus 1. Next, 6x into 2x minus y plus 7y into 2x minus y. And in two terms, 2x minus y repeated, 2x minus y. Then we take the common factor 2x minus y in the two terms. Then into remaining term is 6x. 6x plus 7y. Problem is 2r into y minus x plus 5 into x minus y. Then is equal to, we can write y minus x in terms of x minus y. Then by taking a negative sign outside the bracket, that is minus 2r into x minus y plus 5 into x minus y. That's equal to x minus y into minus 2r plus 5. That's equal to x minus y into 5 minus 2r. 5 minus 2r. 6xy cube plus 24x square y equal to 6 into x into y square plus 6 into 4 into x square y. Then we take the common factor 6x y. 6xy, that is 6xy into remaining term is y square plus 4x. Y square plus 4x. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you.